If you're watching this, you clicked on it for a reason, because you want to know how to what? How to what? Get paid from YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes guys, if you're watching this, I officially got paid from YouTube. The last video I did, I was saying like how much I was going to get paid from YouTube. I didn't know for sure, so they officially dropped the dollar amount in my account. We're gonna get to that a little bit later on, but first, hey guys, hey, I know my last video is kind of like depressing, but don't mind me. I just had to get a lot of things off my chest, and I had to get into this video to actually like tell you guys I'm okay, I'm all right. Thank you guys for the encouraging words and all of those good things, and yeah, let's get past it. Boom. So guys, if you haven't been following me for a long time, if you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Kel. I've been here for what, a year and some change. This is not my first channel by far. This is actually like my third or fourth channel, because for some reason YouTube keeps deleting my videos, and I'm trying to stop doing whatever they think I'm doing that's wrong. So this time around, I've made it far. This is the longest I've had a YouTube channel that I've been actively like creating content, and the channel has not been taken down, so that is actually a great thing. So this is actually like the second time I've been monetized on YouTube, but this is actually the first time I've actually received a payout. So they did change up the requirements a lot since I have been doing YouTube, or since I've been trying to get into YouTube over the years. They've become more stricter. It used to be like you just had to have 10,000 views to get paid. That was easy. You know how fast people was hitting that? Like, that was so easy. Like, I was just like, okay, them were the glory days. But then when they start seeing like making videos for money and not actually having a passion, and like that's how I feel like YouTube got oversaturated. Now I feel like the people that stay here, the people that are here, are like literally busting and grinding their ass, because I know how much work it takes. So we're gonna get into some little bit of tips later on into the video as well. But first guys, they do have levels to this. It's levels to this ish. It's levels to it, baby. So the first requirement, I feel like, to start entering to a YouTube partner program is you have to have 500 subscribers. You have to have at least 3,000 valid watch hours. Boom. I feel like that's a lot. I watched other people's videos, and they were saying like that was before I was monetized. Like I was once a person like you looking at a video just like this, and I was just like, let me see other people's experiences. And I watched a girl's video, and she was just like, it was easier for me to hit the watch hours and for me to hit the subscribers. And I was like, wow, that resonated with me, because it took me forever to reach the watch hours, and it took me no time to reach the subscribers every time. But yeah, so that is how you enter the first tier of the YouTube partner program. I'm trying to see what perks they have. I'm not sure. I think you can start getting people to gift you. I think you can do super chats. I don't know if you can do subscribers yet, but that is the next one. You have to have 1,000 subscribers. This is what everybody wants to get into. This is the one that actually pays just for, you know, uploading videos and stuff like that. You don't have to rely on gifters or people to, you know, super chat or whatever if you go live and stuff like that. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers. Create videos, you know, get them subscribers, and you have to have 4,000 watch hours to start earning on YouTube. And specifically, you do not earn on YouTube. Well, we're gonna get into that. But yeah, y'all, so I officially made it. We're in there like booty hair, and I don't plan on leaving, guys. I'm trying to stay consistent. Like, it is insane. But yeah, so you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel to start getting paid. No, you do not get paid. I feel like this is a very important tip. You do not get paid for the views before you reach the threshold of 4,000 watch hours. A lot of people get this misconstrued. No, it starts literally from zero. The views you get, they're like after you reach the threshold, after you meet the requirements to become a YouTube partner. After, no, wait a minute, I'm jumping the gun. I'm jumping up too fast. First, y'all, once you meet the threshold, then they're gonna try to do like this whole verification process. You have to be 18. if you're not 18, try to get an adult to, you know what I'm saying, help you out. You know, they're a trusted adult to help you out with your funds and stuff like that right there. If you can't do YouTube, your parents like, I don't want you to do it. Well, wait till you're 18, okay? So then you're gonna have to set up a Google AdSense account with this YouTube channel, and you cannot have more than one channel on one Google AdSense account. Once you do that, you're gonna have to verify your address. You're gonna have to put in your tax docs. Hence why you have to be 18. You should know how to fill out W-2s, tax forms, and all that good stuff. You should at this big age. Yeah, so they're going to send you a little verification thing, a little envelope. It's going to say Google AdSense on it. I don't have mine, y'all. I don't even know where it is. I got it like a couple months ago, and y'all, I lost it. So we just going to use this right here. So yeah, so they're going to send you a little card just like this. It's probably like the same size. It's going to say Google AdSense on it. They're going to send it to your address. Make sure it's an address that you can access. Make sure everything is legit, like your first, your last name, your address, your SSN. Make sure everything is clear across the board so you can get paid correctly and on time, so they can verify your identity as well. And I believe they ask for your ID online as well, but I forgot about that one. So boom, once they do that, almost slid a wig, honey. So yeah, once they send you that in the mail, it's going to take about, I say, 2 to 3 weeks. It took forever for me. I feel like it took like 30 days. So you get it in the mail, you know, and you put it in on a Google AdSense. They're going to ask you to verify. Then to start getting payments and stuff like that, they're going to ask you for your bank account information, your checking and your routing number and stuff like that. Then they're going to verify your bank account. So it is a lot of steps to getting paid, but I feel them though. It's a lot of people scamming out here, and it's a lot of people doing, you know, stuff they ain't supposed to be doing. And yeah, so I feel them on that. Like, it's just a simple verification process. It's just like you signing up. It's just like you getting a job. It's like basically just like you getting a job, like, period. So they'll send like a couple cents to your bank account, and then you'll have to verify that as well to start getting paid. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Boom. Once you reach the 4,000 watch hours, you know what I'm saying, you start making, you know, videos, and you start getting views, and then, you know, you start seeing like, you're going to start seeing like a couple cents here, a couple cents there, a couple cents there, a couple cents there. This is very important as well. You cannot get paid a payout from YouTube unless you reach $100 every time, every month. Every month before, I think this the 21st. I think it's between the 15th and the 21st of the last month, the 15th of the previous month, and the 21st of the next following month. If you don't reach that $100 threshold, you will not be getting paid. If you reach it within the next month, you won't get it until the next month. I hope that makes sense. Okay, like, let me give you a better example. Let's say, for instance, I'm at $70 right now. Today is the 19th. I probably won't be making it to the $100 or so. So the 21st is going to pass. If I make it to $100 after the 21st, then I will get my money next month. I will get my money when? October 21st. So I know you're like, oh, once a month, oh, if you don't reach the threshold. Honestly, guys, once you start making videos, once you start being consistent, guys, it's really easy to add up the coin. All you gotta do is be consistent, make videos that people actually want to see. When you're starting out, like, people don't really know you. People don't give a damn. They want to know why should I watch your channel? Why should I watch your videos? Why should I click on your videos? Don't do all that clickbaity stuff, because it's not gonna work in the long run, because you're gonna want your viewers to stay retained. You want your viewers to stay watching your videos. So hence that you gotta give them something to work with. You gotta give them something to help them. Hence, you know, make how-to videos or hack videos or decoration videos or vlogs and stuff like that. Vlogs are really popular on YouTube now. I've seen it being really popular. It used to be like, it didn't used to be this popular. It used to be all about pranks and challenges and stuff, but now the vlogs are in. So if you're a vlogger, if you have stuff to do every day, all day, you want to vlog your life. My life is pretty boring, so that's why I don't do vlogs like that. I do like BT vlogs once every 2 months. But if you're a person that does a lot and overstimulated in life, go ahead and start vlogging. Like, it's simple, you know. Have a personality, because it's really like easy. It's like you're talking to yourself, you know. So after you set everything up, and once you start earning money, once you start making more content, posting more videos so you can get paid and stuff, you're gonna like slowly see it rising up. Like, you get other perks as well. You can have subscribers, I think they're called, like premium subscribers. You can get gifts. You can, oh, it's called memberships, my bad. You can have supers. You can, if you have a store, you can link it to your videos. So when people are watching your videos, they can shop your stores. You can get watch pay ads. So that's what I'm talking about. When you reach the 1,000 subscribers and you get the 4,000 watch hours, that's when you can get paid just by posting videos from ads. So you get paid from Google AdSense. I don't know if I broke that down to y'all earlier, but that is how you get paid, actually, from the ads. So don't skip no ad booklet. I'm trying to make it out the hood. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all this. I'm trying to make it out the hood. Don't skip no ads. Watch them all the way through. So yeah. So what else? You get brand connect, so you can connect with different brands and collab with them. You can get a copyright match tool, so they'll tell you if you ain't right. You gotta re-upload it, rewind it, delete. Yeah. So guys, so I feel like that's everything I need to tell you guys. I gave you guys a few tips. Be yourself, be original. Go to your your For You page and go browse and see what's out there. You know, explore your options. I feel like you do not have to have a niche these days. You can make your channel whatever you want it to be. Like me right now, if you go down my channel, I have so much stuff on there. I have weight loss videos, I have vlogs, I have get ready with me's, I have story times, and I have a lot of things. I have how-to videos because I'm really versatile. I just like doing so much stuff, and it's so much stuff I want to show you guys. I can do it all, honey. Period. Get in that bag. Get in that creative bag. Be creative, be original, stand out. You know, if you have a platform somewhere else, it also helps to bring them over here. I feel like it's easier. But if you start from the ground up, from the nitty gritty, just like me, y'all, so I feel like it's real easy because I started from nothing. I'm still being optimistic. Right now, I just reached 1,500 subscribers, I think, today, and I'm actually ecstatic about that because I feel like that's some type of growth. Because I remember when I was just 100 subscribers, I had started this page with nothing, zero, and now I'm above that. I'm at 1,500, and I already got my first YouTube paycheck already. And I think I joined the partnership in May, and I think I got my first payout in August. So boom. So guys, it was just like that for me when I had started getting paid actually for YouTube. I kind of just took a step back. I wasn't being consistent. I was taking a break. I was just I'm in a funk. Life is getting to me. Life is whooping my ass. I ain't know what to do. So yeah, I took a break. I feel like if I was more consistent, I would have probably reached better heights, more heights. But I was like, you know, when I'm not feeling good, why would I sit here and get on camera, force myself to get on camera, and then the energy is just off. Y'all gonna be able to tell. I'm damn, what's wrong with her? You know? So boom. First check was August 26th. It was $124.86. I feel like that is great. Although, y'all, I got into my Facebook bag. We're gonna talk about that later. Facebook pays better, but no tea, no shade. But yeah, I feel like YouTube is where it's at as well because I see a lot of people doing well over here. And at first for me, it wasn't even about that. It was just about me just getting on here, doing stuff, you know, being bored, being single, trying to you know what I'm saying, get y'all all in my business and show y'all the real me. Because I got other platforms, you know what I'm saying. I was I need to show them it's not always the kicks and giggles and stuff like that. It's real life, you know. So boom. Y'all, that is as simple as it gets, y'all. I hope I answered some of y'all questions. If y'all do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you do have trouble, you know, reaching your threshold and stuff like that, if you want me to make a video on how I reached that goal and how I reached those goals so quickly, I feel like it was quickly, then leave a comment below as well. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.